Hey folks, it's WeFire88 here, back with another fan video, and what we're looking at here is a very well used 52-inch white Hunter low profile. This one is from the second quarter 1998. That's what it says on top. Of course, it's not over here like I thought it was. Ignore all the background noise. I got a washing machine and my freaking hot water heater going. I think that's the tag right there. Fan's not in super bad shape. It's got some scuffs here and there. Scuffs and scrapes everywhere, kinda. Some of the blades have some nicks in them or dents from God knows what. This was in a master bedroom of a house. I replaced this fan for somebody and swapped it out with a newer low profile that had a light kit on it. One of the few last year made ones. I can't remember the name of it. I wish I could tell you guys what the name of it is. It's not a Oakhurst, which is some of what some of you guys might be thinking of. So anyway, here's low speed on this fan. Also, the reason why I say well used in the beginning is because the bearings on this fan are not in the greatest shape. This thing has definitely seen a very good life. It's been used every day, I would say. One of the blades was a little bent before I started recording this, so I just spent the time and fixed it. Now it runs a little better, except the bearings are still. I always liked these fans. I also call these the Pat's Pizza fans because there's a restaurant, you know, a few minutes away from me that has 4 of these and 2 of these, or 6 of these total in the restaurant. There's 2 over the bar area, and then there's 4 in the dining room. And most of the time when I'm there, they're either off or they're on low or on medium, rarely on high. But yeah. So these fans are somewhat childhood for me, but they're stupidly common. Like, there's one of these on my marketplace, as a matter of fact. Got a nice low speed. I wonder if it's those bad bearings that are making this have a slower low. I feel like this is going slower than your typical, you know, than it should typically. Alright, let's bring it up to medium now. I do have another one of these just like this. Same, you know, finish, same diameter, but it has a genuine 4-fit four-arm spotlight kit on it by Hunter. That one's out in the shed, and I should film that one soon too. Honestly, I'm getting a pretty good breeze from it on medium. I do understand why collectors like these fans. They're not terrible at all. But this one's been well used for sure because the bearings are a little squeaky. I might be able to hear them, honestly, because I can. It does have a small, slight wobble, but it doesn't bother me. It's like barely visible, honestly. Alright, high speed. really wish I could remember the other Hunter that I replaced this with. It's a newer one. It's got a 3-fitter light kit on it that's like kind of integrated, and it's like a matte black, I think, with like the fake gray wood blades on it. One of those. Not a bad fan. After I hung it up and tested it out, I was pretty impressed with its performance. It's honestly on pretty much the same as this. I must say, it's not doing too bad on high speed for having bad bearings. Running like it normally should. I think that's normal, low profile RPM on high. If not, this is probably a little slower. I haven't tested one of these in a while. That's what I mean by the bearings are bad. I did give the top bearing a drop of zoom spout, so maybe that's doing something. But that's what I mean by it's got bad bearings. Oh yeah, you just heard it squeak there. But it's still running just fine, other than the pissy bearings. Alrighty, and here is spin down. Let's see how long this takes. This probably won't be long because the bearings are bad. Oh yeah, it's already slowed down quite significantly. This would be like a good garage fan, if anything. Throw this in the garage, have a beer fridge on the side, life's good. Got a TV, That's what this thing's got bad bearings. Wow, that just came to a pretty quick stop. But no, this fan would be a good garage fan, if anything. Still got some use to it. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of this fan, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.